Hey guys, how's it going? So you started using Cami, but when you open up your PDFs, it's not giving you the options to open up with Cami. Or even on your Google Classroom, it's just showing a PDF form, but it's not allowing you to open up with Cami. That could be frustrating because the whole point of having Cami is that easy access as well to PDFs and being able to edit them. So I'm going to teach you two ways where we can fix that problem. Three easy steps. Wait, maybe four. I'm pretty sure it's three. But let's go. Ready? You're going to be on your Google Chrome browser and you're going to go up to your extensions bar. You're going to go to the little puzzle piece of your extensions right next to your icon. You're going to click that and we're going to go ahead and look for the extension called Text Help PDF Reader. We're going to go to the More Actions Snowman button and you're going to scroll over Options. You select Options. And in yours, you're going to see that you have this check marked on Open Classroom PDFs directly. So the text help PDF reader is very powerful. And if this is checked on, it won't allow any other PDF readers to open. So we're going to turn that off. And it should work now. But if it doesn't, another thing we could do is just turn this extension off completely. We're going to go ahead and where it says on, we're going to toggle that off. And now you shouldn't have an issue. I hope that was helpful, and I hope the steps weren't too hard to follow. But if you need any extra support, please feel free to either text me, email me, or jump on my office hours. All right, guys, have a beautiful day.